Hey guys, I wanted to show you what you're doing this week for your reading log. So I'm on Google Classroom under classwork. I'm looking at the week of November 30th through December 4th. So if you click on week of November 30th through December 4th, reading, and it actually says reading log. So the directions are here. It says read for 20 minutes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yes, that means read all 5 days. Then click on the link. The link is right here. Once you click on the link, you're going to click Say Something on the Padlet. Then you're going to type these things: the date, the title of your book, the pages that you read, a brief summary, about 2 to 3 sentences to tell me what you read about, and click Post. You should have 5 posts on the Padlet, 1 for Monday, 1 for Tuesday, 1 for Wednesday, 1 for Thursday, and 1 for Friday. This assignment is worth 5 points, 1 point for each day that you read and post. So if you choose to only read 1 out of 5 days, you only earn 1 point. 0 days would be 0 points, 5 days would be 5 points, and so on. On Friday, you're going to come back to this post right here, the same one, and you're going to click Turn It In or Mark as Done. You're only going to do that on Friday. So let me show you how to do the Padlet. So you would click right here. It's already assigned to you. You see I've already got an example. Right here it says Miss Ballou's example. Monday, November 30th. Today I read the one and only Ivan. I read pages 26 to 42. In the story, Ivan lives in a mall. He is the star of the circus in the mall. Ivan begins to feel like he is not the star of the circus anymore. So what you're going to do is right here, it usually says say something. You're going to click right there. You're first going to type the date. We'll pretend it's Tuesday, December 1st. You do want to make sure that you are using proper capitalization and punctuation. If you hit enter, it's going to go ahead and post, so you don't want to hit enter till you're ready to post it, okay? So Tuesday, December 1st, today I read, type the name of your story. So I'm just going to put dash. I read pages, your page numbers. Make sure you put correct capitalization and punctuation in the story, and then tell me in 2 to 3 sentences what happened in your story. Make sure I can tell where your sentences begin because it starts with a capital letter, and end because it ends with correct punctuation. Make sure your sentences are in complete sentences, okay? After you have that, you're going to click Post. And that is your first post. You'll come back and do this every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, okay? Make sure you get them all done.